helmet?
If you have, yes, please.
Yes,
Thank
okay.
you. I know.
Yeah.
What's on the back?
Wet.
Oh, thank you.
Mau lagi.
Wow, this is a decked out bike.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, fun.
Yes. Simple helmet.
Yeah, special.
Good luck.
Bye, Josie.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you. Wow, how do small people get on this bike?
Oops.
Oops, sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. This is the most decked out bike I've had yet.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, let's go. Where are you from?
From New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Yeah, have you heard of it?
Yes.
It's
Good.
near Australia.
Yes.
A lot of people know Australia.
More farming. New Zealand.
yes,
Job.
exactly.
More
Lots-
jobs.
Lots
Yeah.
of sheep.
Indonesian more.
Exactly.
New Zealand. Holiday?
Yeah. Yeah, this is my second day in Uluwatu. We spent some time in Ubud, which I love.
Ubud? Yeah.
I love Ubud.
Ubud. Canggu maybe?
Yeah, lots of nature.
Canggu the traffic. Yeah, everyday traffic still.
Exactly.
Yeah, maybe
Traffic was crazy.
go to Kintamani?
Say that again?
Kintamani already?
No, not yet.
Yeah, Kintamani is good.
Okay, I'll have to try.
Maybe you will go alone or with family here?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Holiday?
Say again?
Holiday alone or with
Oh,
family?
With my friends. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah.
So,
Maybe,
my two close friends, Daphne, you saw her before.
yeah. Maybe go to Bedugul.
Yes, it's reading.
Good view.
Together time.
Yes, more monkey. Yeah. Good monkey here.
Yeah, they are.
Yes.
Outside.
No good LM Temple Uluwatu is good. No good. Be careful.
Are you from Uluwatu or just for work?
No, just work.
Just working.
Yes, no. Not every day. Only freelance. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Because I have job.
Here they are.
Just stay here. Oh, sorry.
That's okay. You can go a bit further. I don't mind.
Wait.
And I'll just
Wait
walk
moment.
back.
Yes. No good here.
That's totally cool.
Okay.
Drop me off
Wait
here somewhere.
moment.
You okay here?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's good.
Whee!
Oh, thank you.
You better give me your special helmet back.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. for listening.
Welcome.
I appreciate you. Thank you. We'll
Okay.
see you next time.
Yes, see you next time. Have a good day.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.